This video will walk you through the steps of submitting a DSA or quick quote. There may be situations where you will use a quick quote versus an OIP deal registration. Like for instance, if you are participating in an RFP or an RFQ, need competitive or one-off pricing, or just need to request special pricing to win the deal. And remember, there are no deal minimums when applying for Cisco DSA. First things first, make sure you reach out to the Cisco account manager that's assigned to your customer and let them know about the deal before you register. If you don't know who your Cisco account manager is, reach out to the CSA that supports the region your customer is in. To start the process, from the CCW home screen, go to the Deals and Quotes tab and select Create Quote. Next, name your deal. This is the name that will appear when looking at your list of deals and quotes you are working on, so make sure to choose a name that will easily identify your opportunity. The next step, you will want to choose the Cisco Channel Account Manager, or CAM. Bradley Mitchell is the CAM that's assigned to Insight, so make sure to always choose him from the drop-down list. Now to add your customer's info. Click Faster Search. Then, input your customer's name in the search bar. Find your customer with the correct address you are working on for this opportunity. If you can't find your customer in the search, click the Create Customer tab and manually enter your customer's information. Once you see the correct customer, click the radio button next to it. Then, click the Use Selected Address button. Now you need to input your customer's contact information. Make sure to fill in all the fields with your customer's info. After inputting your customer's contact information, you'll need to input the partner information. Click Partner. Then, check the box that says Use the contact details in my user profile. This should automatically populate your information. Make sure all the fields with the red asterisks are filled out, and once you're finished, click Create Quote. In the About the Deal section, fill out a brief description about the deal you are working on. For the Intended Use dropdown, you're always going to choose Resale. For Deal Category, you're always going to choose Other Resale Infrastructure from the dropdown. The Deal Source, keep it as Partner Sales Activity. For Deal Type, choose if it's a purchase or a lease depending on how your customer is going to make the purchase. Next, choose the probability percentage of the deal closing. For Price List, always choose Global Price List US Availability from the drop-down. Then, choose your expected close date for the project. For expected Cisco hardware and software, put the list amount of the hardware and/or software you're quoting your customer. Expected service amount is the list amount for SmartNet or licensing. Input the SmartNet and licensing amount, and then click Save and Continue. For buy method, you can either choose to go with Cisco Direct or to go through distribution. Keep in mind, Cisco Direct generally has longer lead times, but typically you'll get a better discount. If you plan to go through distribution, choose the distributor you want to use in the drop-down. You will want to check the stock and choose the best distributor based on your deal. Click Save and Continue. The next step is to import the estimate or bill of materials. To do this, click on the Actions drop-down and click Import a Saved Configuration. Select Estimate and input the estimate ID. Change the Created By drop-down menu to All and click Search. Click the radio button next to the estimate you want to import and then click Import Entire Estimate. Below. Everything in your estimate will populate here below. You can use the plus signs to see the sub-line items to make sure you aren't missing anything. If everything looks correct, click Save and Continue. The next page is the Discounts and Credits section. The discounts will be added in by the Cisco account manager after the deal has been submitted. So go ahead and click Save and Continue. You are now ready to submit your deal. So go ahead and click Submit Quote for approval. It can take up to 24 hours for the Cisco account manager to upload pricing to your deal. And it's always a good idea to reach out to the Cisco account manager to let them know that the deal's been submitted. That way they can look out for it and approve it quickly. But that's it. You have completed submitting a quick quote. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. And as always, happy selling.